we have an army of repair proteins and enzymes that are constantly trying to keep on top of any repair in our bodies before we ever even notice that it becomes an issue. And it's these things that seem to slow and get turned down. And this is where NAD comes in. NAD is a natural molecule that's naturally found in every single cell. And it's critically important in hundreds of different reactions. But I guess the two things that it's most famous for are firstly energy production. So NAD plays a very key role in basically taking our food and turning it into the ATP, which is the energy currency of our cells. But actually much more recently, it's been found that NAD acts as a fuel to drive a lot of these repair processes that I just mentioned in our bodies.